Hey y'all, it's I Heard Paige. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, definitely don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you won't miss out on any of these notifications. If you're OG, welcome back, I Heard fam. Let's get this started. Okay then y'all, so I know I haven't done a full in video in so long, so it actually just seems weird on my intro. But okay y'all, so I am about to do something today. Definitely about to do something different. Not cutting my hair, not dyeing it. Definitely want to. I definitely want to dye it. But I'm not going to yet. I'm going to hold off because I definitely want to just focus on health and making sure that my locks are healthy. I've heard a lot of success stories with people dyeing their hair and keeping their hair healthy. I've seen a lot of success stories with that, but I've seen a lot of horror stories as well with locks falling out. I think they call the seed, I forgot what they're called, glass seed beads or something. I'm not too sure. But I have these because if you've been following me, you already know. If not, I was doing the waist beads before I ended up getting pregnant. I got pregnant with twins and I had to cut all my waist beads off. Yes, y'all, such a whore. And so now I have to redo all of them again, definitely because I've been back on my fitness journey. I'm definitely looking forward to stringing my beads back on me. I was using them for weight loss tracking. So tracking your inches, if you're losing weight off your stomach, that's basically what's my method. Also, it was cute. Call them hair sprinkles, lock sprinkles. So I'm about to do that. And y'all, I have so many. So definitely have a variety that I can pick from. I'm just using black thread and I have this needle. I'm gonna get it threaded and make sure it's long enough because when I'm sewing, I always do that anyways. You want to make sure that it's long enough, I'm assuming, because it kind of seems like it'll suck just like when sewing, when you have to go back and rethread your needle. So this is a tutorial teaching y'all how to sew, but you just do the little, so you just circle it, wrap it around your finger, and then you're just gonna slide these two fingers, like slide it and then pull. And then if you can't see, hold on, where is it? It's a little knot right there. So yeah. So a tip that I just want to let y'all know that I kind of just ran into, you want to make sure that you have an assorted needles. So as you can tell, I have a few different size needles, because just don't buy one needle and expect for it to loop, like fit the bead through there. I just went through two different needles and neither one of them worked. The bead was actually too small to go all the way through to the thread. I think I want this one for some reason. I'm gonna start at the bottom. I'm not gonna start at the very tip of my lock. If you can see, I'm gonna probably start like a little bit up where it's a little bit thicker. Disregard my nails. I know they look so terrible. And then you're just gonna pull it all the way through. And yeah, once you've done that, then you're just gonna get the bead. These things are so freaking little. So little, y'all. Yeah, I like it. It's definitely cute. Okay, so then once you get it to the lock, like how it is right now, you see it'll keep falling down. So that's when you're gonna go ahead and thread it through the next spot that you want your next bead to be. But that is how my first one looks. This is the color that I'm using. I'm trying to show y'all this one right here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Wow. It is too freaking cute. So here is the end results and I am so in love with it. Yes, I could definitely see starting to do this, doing different seasons and different holidays and getting some charms and stuff. Yes, like I said, it'll be not wanting to dye my hair because I've definitely been having the urge to want to dye my hair, but I'm trying so hard to come up with other little things to make me stay away from not bleaching my hair, because of course I'm gonna have to bleach it because yeah, any color is not gonna show on my natural hair color right now. But y'all, it's so cute. This is definitely my favorite one. So I went with like the I guess you could say like mermaid type colors, because this one has a little shine. So I am too excited how it turned out. I just washed my hair, did a retwist today, so I figured do something different. Definitely loving it. So this is super easy, y'all. Definitely super easy. I say give it a try if you're like me and wanting to jazz up your lock without risking getting any damage. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. As usual, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, share. Sharing is always caring. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.